Hello guys, yung topic natin ngayon ay about motor power. Okay? Alright, babasahin ko lang yung question, no? Find the motor power for a pump station with the following parameters. Yung motor efficiency niya ay 92%, pump efficiency is 79%, total head is 52 meters, at yung flow rate niya ay 4,800 liters per minute. Okay? Yung formula neto guys ay susulat ko lang. Okay? Motor power is equals to Q times H. Ito yung flow rate natin, which is 4,800 LPM. At yung H na to is your total head mo, which is 52 meters. Okay? So, divided by 6,125. Okay? Divide ulit sa pump efficiency times motor efficiency. Okay? Yung 6,125 na to is constant. Okay? Yung Q natin ay yung flow rate natin, which is 4,800 LPM. At yung head natin is 52. Okay? I-plug in na natin, no? Alright, so motor power. Okay. Motor power, MP. Gawin natin MP, no? So, in kilowatt to, ha? Is equals to 4,800 LPM times 52 meters. Okay? Divided by 6,125 over yung pump efficiency natin ay 79%. 79% times natin sa 92%. Okay? So, MP in kilowatts. Calculate natin sa calculator natin. Bar ng fractions agad. At 4,800 liters per minute times 52 meters divided by 6,125. Yung 6,125 natin guys is constant. Okay? 79% times 92%. Okay? Ito yung pump efficiency natin at yung motor efficiency natin. So, equals 56.07. Okay? Ito na yung answer natin, guys. Okay. Lista lang natin, no? 56.07 kilowatts. So, ito yung answer natin. Dapat naka-LPM to rito yung flow rate po at saka naka-meters. Okay? Kung MLD yan, MLD or megaliters per day, dapat i-convert mo sa LPM or cubic meters per second, i-convert mo sa LPM para makuha ko yung kilowatts. Alright? Huwag na lang itong kakalimutan. Liters per minute at meters. Okay, thank you and please subscribe.